This is the 2023 Honda Odyssey. And yes, it hasn't been redesigned in a few years, but one thing that still remains with the lack of a redesign is the fact that you can still fully remove the middle row seats, and then you can use those magic stowing rear seats, fold them down, and the floor is completely flat. That makes this minivan a great multitasker. How exactly do you remove those middle row seats? Let's take a look and I'll show you how easy it is to do in theory. It does take two people. Okay, now I did say this takes two people. Now if you just want to remove this middle row seat, well, that's not such a big deal. In fact, it probably weighs, I don't know, maybe 40 pounds. It's not that terribly heavy. So you're going to pull on the release on the front of the seat will tilt forward and you can remove it. So this seat isn't that heavy. Now the cool thing here is that these are the magic sliding seats. We have the magic stowing seats in the back, the magic sliding seats here. There's a lever on the side. You pull up on that and it allows you to slide the seats back and forth however you see fit. So what we're going to do here is number one, we're going to fold the seat forward. Now one thing I do want to say, besides don't hit your head on the ceiling like I just did, or the roof, that's really not the ceiling, is it? But make sure the front seats are far enough forward where this isn't going to be a problem. And I say that because when you pull on this front release that shows the seat moving up like this, well, if that seat's too far forward, it's going to be very difficult to do that. So the next thing we're going to do, this is where you need two people. Well, unless you're strong enough, like I say, to do it by yourself. I am strong enough to do this, so not a big deal. So I'm just gonna pick this seat up and move it out of the way. And there you go. This is what you wind up with. What a great multitasking vehicle, because now with all this space in here, you can haul cargo, you could put your work gear back here, toolboxes, a ladder, you know, whatever, depending on the length, of course. But it really makes the Odyssey the ultimate multitasking minivan because of what you can do here. Now, putting the seats back in is a different story. It's a little harder, even when you're strong enough to do it. You still might want to have someone to help you out. Those seats, the outer seats, probably weigh about 70 pounds each. If you don't have a problem lifting 70 pounds, well, then no problem at all. So I've got to say a special thanks to my friends here at Holmes Honda who loaned me this Odyssey for the day so I could show you how to remove those magic middle seats right there, the magic seats. And a special thanks to all of you for being kind enough to give me the opportunity to give you a vision for your next vehicle. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, check out the video that's on the screen right now, and I'll see you there.